What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the Miata rebuild. We're gonna tear into this, see what we need to do, send the parts off to the machine shop, see what's making that knocking noise. But anyway, without further ado, let's tear into this. All right, let's just do a quick walk around of the shiz. There's gonna be two 12 mils up here, and then one 12 mil down there in the dead center. And then all the bolts holding on the fuel rail and the intake manifold are going to be 12 mils. I don't know, that looks like a 12 too. And then the exhaust manifold, that was a 13 or 14. I don't remember since I took it apart in the car. Neck for the coolant that's 12 mil. Bolts for for the valve cover are all 10 mils, so we have 14. You have your AC off, those are going to be 14s. Tripod, you go. I tried not for, whatever. Four 14 mils, two 14 mils, 12 mil for the coolant capacitors thing. 10 mil for, I think this is the RPM sensor. 14 mil, both sides. The belt was trash anyway. Sorry, the camera turned off. So pretty much 10 mil for the pulley right here, 10 mil for the other pulley right here, and I think that's all that was missed. So let's get it done. First off, the belt is kind of like chewed because it should be the width of this pulley, but it's not, and you can see it's chewed up. A bunch of material in here from it. Oof. dah-mage. Using a 13/16. 10 mil. So for these head bolts, you want to get yourself a 12 spline 12 millimeter. 12 mil to get the front off. Look at all that belt material that just got friggin' eaten off. 10 mils under here. I'm gonna try and not make a mess while I do this, but let's turn this thing over and hopefully not much comes out. Like it's the rear one. Doesn't surprise me though, because the rear cylinder always runs the hottest. It's a 14 mil socket for the crankcaps. All right, so my phone kind of died on me. But anyway, I'll just start over. This is what we got with everything. The issue was the knocking sound was number 4 cylinder. It's all like chewed up and disgusting. Let me get my light here. Yeah, as you can see, that's disgusting. They're all kind of bad. I mean, that's what they should look like. That's not bad, but it'd be the best to not see that line, those lines, just to see it be, you know, just clean and nice and perfect. And these are not really that perfect. Sorry, I wish I had a flashlight, but I don't, so I kind of have to use this. The crank itself isn't bad. The crank bearings were okay, but yeah, on these ones, they're just bad. They're just disgusting. They just feel so, they feel like sandpaper. So it's really disgusting. The pistons they're okay. They're not in the best shape. I mean, I guess it's something that you would see in a 20-something-year-old car. And the pistons look just like the cylinder walls, and vice versa. Wish I had a light. Freak, I can't find one. The cam lobes look pretty good. They don't look too marred up or disgusting, as well as the bearing point. I mean, they do look a little bit icky, but overall, the cams are probably in the best condition. The cylinder walls, you know, they're basically just what you saw on the pistons. According to which cylinder they came out of, it's going to be pretty much the same. It's going to mirror the cylinder. This one, you can still see some cross hatching from the hone, and that's good. That's what you want to see, from what I know anyways. I'm not a freaking genius, obviously, but this is a puny block. My KA24E, when I rebuilt that in high school, that one was a little bit bigger than this one. It probably came up to, I don't know, right here about-ish? Probably, I don't know. It seemed like it was like twice as high, even without the head on. And this head is bigger than mine because mine wasn't dual overhead cams, it was just a single overhead cam. And the underside on the combustion top valve part, whatever, they look pretty good too. We didn't have a sandwich or anything like that. Anyway, that's gonna do it for part 2. Part 3, we're gonna be assembling it all once we get all the new parts and all the machine work done to all of these. If you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, concerns, whatever. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Share the video to a friend, and peace out. Thanks for watching.